my channel, Air Fryer Recipes 101. And if you came here from my other channel, the Baking Diva, thank you so much. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Dolores. I'm here to show all of you that are new at air frying. Maybe you received an air fryer as a gift. Maybe you have one sitting on your shelf that you haven't used yet. So I'm here to show you simple air fryer recipes that everyone can make. So today I'm making you Bubba Burgers. And Bubba Burgers are frozen burgers that our family loves. They come plain. You can get them with bacon in them. You can get them with onion in them. There's really no shrinkage at all when you cook them. They are delicious. And apparently, Mr. Bubba here, it says after 3 generations in the beef business, Walter Bubba Eves brings a great tasting, easy to prepare burger to the conscious consumer. The Bubba Burger is made from USDA choice beef chuck. Great taste and texture. And apparently, Bubba Food's secret process, combined with over 75 years of experience, allows you to serve a Bubba Burger faster and easier than a handmade burger without the mess and bother of conventional burgers. Bubba says, listen up there, Bubba says you'll never bite a burger better than a Bubba. And I have to agree with him. Whether you believe him or not, that's up to you, but we do. Bubba Burgers, and Mr. Bubba Eves doesn't know me from Adam, but we love his Bubba Burgers. They come with bacon in them, they come plain, they're gluten-free, you can get them with onions in them, and we really enjoy them. So this is what a Bubba Burger looks like. They come in plastic, and they're all separated by a piece of paper, and this is the size of them. They're not completely round. They have a little unusual shape to them. But he's right when he says there's very little shrinkage, because there is. Okay, the first thing you're going to do is remove your basket, and you're going to spray it. I like to spray it with a little bit of olive oil or a little bit of avocado oil. There we go. And I'm going to put my burgers in it. So let me place these in the basket. I try to place them in there so they're not touching one another. Now, you'll be seeing me use 2 different air fryers. This one I have, and I absolutely love it. But for Christmas, the hubby gave me one. You probably can't see it behind me, but it's also a Ninja with the double basket. The double basket one serves for many purposes. You can make double the quantity, put them on each side. You can do, let's say, burgers on one side and French fries on the other side and have them finish at the same time. So we'll be doing some recipes in there too. But for today, I'm just doing it in here. So I'm going to put my basket in there. These baskets are great. They slide in and out very easily. I'm going to put the air fryer on, and I'm going to set the temperature for 375 degrees. So here's the arrows that go up and down. On this Ninja, it automatically comes up as 390. So I'm just going to put the down arrow and put it down to 375. Now, these burgers, I have found they come out perfect if I cook them for about 15 minutes. So what I do is at the halfway point, I take the basket out, and with my tongs, I flip them over, and then I cook them the remainder of the time. Come out perfect that way. So we have it on. It's on air fry here, pressed air fry. It says 375. And now over here, this is very simple. That's why I originally got this. I didn't want anything with a million buttons on it that I had to figure out. I wanted something very user-friendly, and this is. So over here is the timer. So I'm going to press this. It starts on 20. I'm going to press it down to 15. There we go. And over here is the start button. So I'm going to start it, and then I'm going to come back at the halfway point. I'm going to flip the burgers over. Start it. See, and here you'll see the timer going down. If you're going to use this on your counter, take it a few inches away from the back of the counter, because there's a fan in the back of this, and the fan blows out air, and you don't want it up against, you know, your backsplash or your cabinet there. And I'll also show you a good way if you want to make a cheeseburger, how to melt your cheese in here. So as soon as we get to the halfway point, we're going to flip these, and I'll show you what we do next. So don't go away. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, done. You'll hear it beep at the end. It'll say end there, and that's it. So I'm going to take the basket out. Don't think you can see it. Not sure. I'm working solo. Hopefully you can hear that sizzling. And they look really good. So I'm going to take them out. Place them on my dish here. They look perfect. Absolutely perfect. Look at that. Now, I'm going to show you a little trick. If you want a cheeseburger, okay, this air fryer is still pretty darn hot. So what you can do is, actually, I wanted to show them to you. But actually, if you wanted a cheeseburger, best thing to do is just leave your burgers in there, and you can place a piece of cheese on top of the burger after it's done cooking and the air fryer is off. Slide it back in there, and the heat from the air fryer, it's not on now, will just melt your cheese. Takes maybe a minute. So anyway, I have a roll ready here. You can put onion on, you can put tomato, you can do your cheese. Oh yeah, I'm not having the one with the cheese, but my son is, so I'm just gonna give his a minute to melt. How many of you have an air fryer and you love to use it? How many of you are enjoying this channel because you're just starting out? And you can find out sometimes what temperature to put on the food to cook it and how many minutes, and I always found it very helpful in the beginning. Also on the side of this, it has little pictures. There's a picture of a chicken leg and a picture of fries and a steak and a cupcake and fish, and it'll tell you there approximate temperature to cook it and the amount of time. But like I said, everything is, you know, all the food is different. So let me see if the cheese is melting. Oh yes it is. It's pretty much melted. Take long at all. So let me take that out. There you go. Put it on the roll. Woohoo! The top on it. Put that over. And there we have our burger. And I'm going to have the other one without the cheese. So, make yourself some hamburgers in your air fryer. And put it to good use. Because once you start using it, you're gonna love it. So let me call my son. Tell him his burger's ready. Scott! Scott, your burger's ready. So anyway, thank you all for stopping by and visiting my channel. I do appreciate each and every one of you. I really do. I love you all. I hope to see you again very soon with another simple air fryer recipe. So anyway, take care, be well, and for now, toodles!